Thinking about renovating your condo in Alberta? Hold on a second. There are a few things you need to know first. Every condo has its own set of bylaws, which are basically the rule book for what you can and can't do with your unit. Small cosmetic changes, like painting your walls or changing light fixtures, are usually okay. But for the big stuff, you'll need to get permission. We're talking about major renovations that involve structural changes or messing with the plumbing or electrical systems. Before you even think about swinging a hammer, you need to submit a detailed plan to your condo board. This plan should cover everything: what you want to do, how long it will take, and who's doing the work. The board needs to make sure your project follows the bylaws and the law, and that it won't compromise the building's safety. So, always check the rules first for a smooth renovation. This condo living fact was brought to you by Condo-Check. Thanks for watching.